The Lite 40 kit by JOMOTech is a great choice for the minimalist vape enthusiast. You won't find temperature control or variable power settings on this mod, but that's also what makes it very appealing. It's simply power on and there you go. The brushed aluminum body and straightforward form factor give this box mod an industrial feel. By focusing on raw vaping instead of extra features, it is relatively compact and lightweight. The contact pin is springless, so it should be self-adjusted to the desired height. 4 LED lights indicate battery strength, so you never leave home worrying if you have enough charge. While the Lite 40 lacks in features, it makes it up in price and size. As one of the cheapest box mods on the market, it is often chosen as a starter kit or a backup box. It's also relatively small despite its power, due to the minimalist box shape. Of course, we recommend that anyone new to vaping should check out our guides before making a purchase.